In this video, I'll cover adding a PDF to a work order and completing that PDF on the mobile device. So first, go to your calendar or to the customer's account and create a new work order. When you create the new work order, you will want to pick the PDF form you would like to attach. So for this example, I'll go ahead and pick the MPMA 33 with graph. And we'll say this is just a termite report, WDO. And then commissions, defaults, I'm logged in to the guest account on my mobile as well. And here we'll say the description is going to be annual termite inspection. And the customer name, we'll do Joan. There we go. And hit save. So now that should show on my phone if I go ahead and hit that refresh button. I do have an appointment for that same customer. So this customer, actually the one that I picked, is actually not signed in as active. So I'm going to go back to today's appointment here and switch this customer over. It is active. Okay. Branch, hit save. So it was logged into a different branch and that's why I couldn't see it. Now if I hit the refresh button again, I should be able to see the information on my screen here. Alright, so I'm going to access this account and you'll notice it has one PDF attachment here. And I open this attachment by touching that line, and I'll touch the document as well. Now it will ask me to open this in a variety of applications. I always go to Adobe. It is free and it works great. You can choose a different PDF viewer. This is my preference. So now that the document is displayed on my phone, if I would like to increase the view, I can do so on the phone, or decrease, basically you use a pinching motion with your index and thumb, index finger and thumb, to increase it and decrease it. So I can go ahead and touch this. When I tap the screen, it will make these toolbars appear or disappear. So right now I want to touch this toolbar and I want the pencil or pen. So now I'm going to tap to draw. So I'll go ahead and sign, and then I hit the save button. When I want to select any of the check boxes, I just tap the screen at that, first hit the done button, bring it back to the viewer section. If I would like to make any indication on any of the check boxes or in the line that is blue, I can type in anywhere here. And once I'm done with that, I can also pinch this down to make it small again and scroll, and I'll show you the graph. So if I tap the graph and the toolbar shows here, I can then draw a graph, indicate whatever I need to, and then hit save. So if I would like to change the text color, I tap that drawing. I can delete it and start over. I can change the thickness or the color of the pen. So we'll do black. And if I want to modify the text or highlight something, all of these toolbars actions can be utilized through the Adobe Reader program or whatever PDF program you're using. So once I'm completely done, I am going to hit this button to hide that toolbar, and I want to upload this document by hitting that square with the arrow moving up. Touch the Open In option and reopen this document back into Fieldwork. You will now have the NPMA 33 with the original. It won't have any edits. And then my completed form, that's the document that I just completed. So I go back to the main work order details. I can enter in my start. We'll say I started a couple of minutes ago here at noon, and I'll put in my end time, and I'll sign. Once that's done, I'm going to change my status from scheduled to complete. I will save. And now that's completed, I can move this over and show you how it has been updated in the system. So if I go to invoices, this is the current invoice, and I'll move this out of the way. This is the annual termite inspection. I'll view the work order to see the details, and PDF forms. So this is the uploaded filled forms. Blank forms are here. So if I would like to view, and this is obviously transferred in real time, so I've completed that PDF on my mobile device. It is now transferring back to the office instantly with any notes that I made, and it will also be sent to your customers in an email and be available on the customer portal.